In the ever-evolving world of gaming, having the right equipment can make or break your experience. Central to this setup, ensuring peak performance and immersive gaming, is the desktop. Greetings, tech enthusiasts. It's a brand new day, and we're here with some electrifying insights. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the world of gaming desktops, highlighting the best options available, their specifications, and what makes them stand out. So without further ado, let's dive into the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Acer Predator Orion 7000. The Acer Predator line of gaming PCs is tried and tested, and for good reason. One of the best gaming PCs should be future-proofed, make upgrading easy, and I suppose it never hurts if a case has a nice look to it as well. Its price is $4,499.99. Acer's popular Predator Orion 7000 certainly ticks all of those boxes. With the arrival of Intel's 13th generation CPUs and NVIDIA's 4000 series GPUs, Acer doubled down on its commitment to the Orion 7000, refreshing the motherboard and power supply that ships inside them to suit the latest components. These newer configurations might not come cheap, but the fact that the Orion 7000 has been around for so long means there are still plenty of cheaper options available with DDR4 and 12th Gen compatibility. One of the best things about the Orion 7000's case is that it makes swapping out components an absolute breeze, so this is an investment that could last you well into the future. Just keep in mind, if you want DDR5 or 13th Gen CPUs, you'll need a motherboard that can handle them. Regardless, if you need your first or your third gaming PC, and you want one that will make your life easy, it doesn't get much better than the Orion 7000. The Acer Predator Orion 7000 continues to be a beacon in the gaming PC landscape, embodying reliability, performance, and user-friendliness. From Acer's Powerhouse, let's now delve into what HP has to offer with the Omen 30 liters. Number 2. HP Omen 30 liters. When scouring the realm of gaming PC deals, one name that frequently stands out is the HP Omen 30 liters. Although the Omen line extends into higher-tier configurations with the likes of the Omen 45 liters, the 30 liters carves its own niche as a dependable choice, especially for those not seeking the bleeding edge of technology. If you're in the market for a gaming PC that serves as an excellent entry point into the world of gaming, the HP Omen 30 liters might just be the perfect fit. Its price is about $2,475.50. The HP Omen 30 liters is often bundled with an RTX 3060 or 3060 Ti, delivering substantial gaming performance without breaking the bank. It's not uncommon to find these configurations priced at around $1,000, making the 30 liters one of the most attractive pre-built gaming PC deals in terms of value. One noteworthy feature of the HP Omen 30 liters lineup is the inclusion of both AMD and Intel CPUs. This diversity means you can stumble upon fantastic deals featuring slightly older, yet still potent, processors. While upgrading the CPU in a 30 liters may present some challenges due to its proprietary nature, the HP Omen 30 liters is a gaming PC that offers a balanced compromise. If you're willing to forego having the absolute latest components, this system provides an enticing proposition for budget-conscious gamers. In the world of gaming PCs, the HP Omen 30 liters holds its own as a versatile and cost-effective option. Number 3. Corsair One 200. As someone who has spent plenty of time with a Corsair gaming PC that can only be described as a hulking great mass, I can't explain to you how amazing it is to find a high-end gaming PC that's as compact as the One 200. The Corsair One name has been around for a while. We reviewed the One Pro i180 back in 2019. Moreover, the i300 is a common go-to for compact gaming PC recommendations. The A200, however, takes two highly coveted components from the last few years and puts them together in a similarly small case. Its price is approximately $2,599.99. Oftentimes, the more you look for high-end gaming PCs, the more you need to compromise on space and noise. The mere mention of an RTX 3080 is enough to get most PC gamers thinking big in terms of the case. Somehow, the A200 houses it and manages to keep things cool, efficient, and silent. With solid memory and storage capabilities, this is a great option for anyone looking for the next step in gaming PC power. However, two important caveats merit consideration. Firstly, the Corsair One A200, while delivering impressive performance and compactness, does come at a price that reflects its high-end specifications. Potential buyers should be prepared for the premium associated with such a powerful and compact gaming solution. Secondly, availability can be subject to the fluctuations in the GPU and CPU markets. If you have a keen interest in acquiring the gaming desktops, we've embedded affiliate links within the description below. Not only can you procure top-tier gadgets, but you also lend invaluable support to our channel in the process. Number 4. Alienware Aurora R13/R14. Depending on who you talk to, Alienware is either out of this world, pun intended, or it's simply not worth the high price of entry. Alienware is Dell's gaming brand, and its pre-built gaming PC offering is second to none. Some users have expressed concerns over its proprietary tech, and occasionally caused quite a few issues. I'd note that these are not too common nowadays, and given how popular they remain, Alienware gaming PCs are worth recommending. The R15 has just been released and houses all the latest components money can buy. However, for the lofty price of it, it's tough to recommend. On the other hand, the Aurora R13 and R14 remain excellent options within the Alienware lineup. Remarkably, these two models are essentially the same machine, with the only distinction being the choice of processors. The R13 features Intel CPUs, while the R14 opts for AMD Ryzen processors. This subtle difference in CPU selection can lead to varying price points, potentially making the R14 the more cost-effective choice. Both the Aurora R13 and R14 exhibit impressive future-proofing, thanks to their support for PCI 5 and DDR5 technology. These advancements ensure that these gaming PCs can handle the demands of tomorrow's games and software with ease. Also, the Aurora R14 starts at US $1,249.99, US $230 cheaper than the least expensive Aurora R13. Number 5. MESIM AG Infinite S3. If you're looking for a cheaper, budget, entry-level gaming PC, the MESIM AG Infinite S3 has some lovely configurations. On the other hand, if you're on the hunt for a high-end powerhouse, the MESI might also be your new desktop companion. The reason for this is, the MESIM AG Infinite has been around for a while and has been the subject of a good few refreshes. These great gaming PCs are still readily available in 11th Gen builds. They're now most commonly found with 12th Gen configurations, and they're also one of MESI's refreshed gaming PCs that will start to appear with more and more 13th generation builds. No matter what end of the spectrum you find yourself on, these great gaming PCs will give you plenty of connectivity thanks to their ingenious case and motherboard design. Lots of scope to upgrade later, and perhaps most notably, won't give you too much noise pollution. It's worth mentioning that while the MESIM AG Infinite S3 predominantly features Intel CPUs, it doesn't limit your GPU choices. So if you ever decide to switch to a Radeon GPU down the line, the flexibility is there for you to explore. Its price is $150,458.57. Number 6. Acer Predator Orion 3000. We started our list with the Acer Predator Orion 7000, and we'll finish with its older brother, the Acer Predator Orion 3000. This is our pick for those looking for a cheap gaming PC. It's not exactly cheap, but at under $1,500, it's relatively economical when compared to other gaming PCs on our list, and that gets you a 10th Gen A7 CPU RTX 3070 GPU and 16 GB RAM. It's coming in for discounts since it's getting on a bit, but we think it's still a powerful package, whether you're gaming at 1440 or 4K, although it's more comfortable in QHD at higher frame rates. The SSD isn't the fastest by any means, but this gaming PC offers good upgradability, and we think it's a good option as a starting gaming PC for anyone hoping to avoid breaking the bank. Stay tuned for more insightful reviews and exciting content coming your way soon. We genuinely appreciate your support. The adventure continues, and remember, game on and take care.